Welcome back to our cozy kitchen.
Today we are making a comforting vegan papaya and mushroom soup.
Cutting this beautiful fruit open.
Removing the seeds to prep for our soup. Semi-ripe papaya adds an incredible natural sweetness.
Dicing it into perfect cubes for the broth. Look at that stunning, vibrant color.
Setting the papaya aside for now.
Now for our earthy straw mushrooms. Cleaning them up perfectly.
Having the large ones so they cook evenly. These will absorb all the wonderful soup flavors. A quick soak in salt water keeps them crisp.
Leeks are a fantastic aromatic base. Mincing the leek very finely.
And some fresh cilantro for the finish.
Let us build our soup.
A tiny splash of oil to start. Frying the leeks. Frying the leeks until they are fragrant. The kitchen smells incredible.
In go the earthy mushrooms.
Sautéing them quickly to lock in the flavor. A touch of seasoning for the mushrooms. They are beautifully seared.
Adding pure fresh water for the broth.
A perfect clean base.
Bringing it to a strong boil.
Gently adding the sweet papaya.
Making sure they are completely covered.
The colors look amazing together.
Lower the heat to a gentle simmer.
We let this simmer for 15 minutes.
Skimming the foam keeps the soup perfectly clear.
It is becoming so clear and pure. The papaya is perfectly tender now.
Seasoning with a little salt.
A touch of sugar to enhance the fruit's sweetness.
And some savory vegan broth powder.
Stirring it very gently so the papaya stays intact.
Hit like if this clear soup makes you feel healthy.
Turning off the heat, our soup is ready. Ready for serving.
Lifting these beautiful, healthy ingredients.
A bowl full of nourishment.
Now for that incredible healing broth.
Pouring the clear broth over the top. It looks so incredibly refreshing. A generous garnish of fresh cilantro. Bringing so much fresh aroma. Finished with a touch of black pepper.
Subscribe for more authentic vegan recipes. Let us take this to the table.
Dinner is served.
This warm vegan soup is incredibly comforting.
Perfect with a bowl of warm rice.
Time to enjoy.
The aroma is so relaxing.
Look at how tender the papaya is.
The broth is sweet, clear, and savory.
It melts right in your mouth. The mushrooms are so juicy.
A perfectly balanced bite.
Soaking the rice with this amazing soup. Mixing all the wonderful textures. Nourishing for both the body and soul. Nature's beautiful colors. A perfect morning in the kitchen.
I hope you try making this healthy dish.
Thank you for joining our kitchen.
Do not forget to like and subscribe.
Have a wonderful, healthy meal.
Cooked with love. Every detail counts. A bowl full of health. Perfectly presented. A true home-cooked delight.
Such natural, healthy ingredients.
See you in our next cooking adventure. Goodbye for now.
See you in the next journey.